How to use Equalizer APO with Voicemeeter. So it's a little different for a microphone and for your speakers. Now for a microphone, what you need to do is go to the device, make sure in capture devices you select your microphone, and then do whatever EQ thing you want to do with it. And then what you need to do is head over to Voicemeeter, go to stereo input, and I have my microphone directed but 16 decibels. If I do this, but you can hear me way less. Now for the playback, what you need to do is select the Voicemeeter as the default playback. So you need to right click here, open sound settings, and then make sure you selected Voicemeeter input as the output device. Then you need to run Equalizer device selector and then click Voicemeeter input. DaVinci is messing with me. Now let's click Voicemeeter input just like that. So what you need to do is just head over here and make sure you select your playback device. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.